Let's take a look at the battle-born 2000 watt inverter, model BBI 2000. Right up front, it's important to note that this is a pure inverter. It does not include a built-in battery charger. It's designed for systems where charging is handled separately. You'll typically see this inverter used in RVs, marine applications, off-grid systems, and mobile power setups where clean, reliable AC power is the priority. It's a great fit for smaller to mid-sized systems that aren't intended to power air conditioning loads but still need dependable inverter power for everyday appliances, electronics, and onboard systems. Many of today's RVs come inverter prepped from the factory, meaning the wiring and subcircuits are already in place. In those cases, this 2000 watt inverter is a straightforward drop-in solution that delivers high-quality AC power without adding unnecessary complexity to the system. It's built on the same core power platform as our inverter charger, so you're getting the same power quality, transfer behavior, and system intelligence just without the onboard charging hardware. In the box, you'll find the inverter, the removable control and display panel with its connecting cable, and a cover plate for remote display installations. Optional accessories like the GFCI kit and communication cables are available separately if needed. Looking at the unit itself, the first thing you'll notice is this compact footprint for a true 2000 watt inverter. This is made possible by modern inverter technology. By moving away from older low-frequency transformer designs, this inverter can deliver the same power in a smaller, lighter, and more efficient package. You'll see dual cooling fans with clear airflow paths to manage heat under load. On the DC side, you have heavy-duty battery terminals designed for high current draw. On the AC side, you'll find clearly labeled input and output connections. Your AC in, 3 connections, is going to be for power coming in from shore or generator, and your AC out, 4 connections, is going to be to your distribution panel. The control panel is removable and rotatable, which makes it easy to get a clean install regardless of how the inverter is mounted. This is extremely valuable in tight compartments and custom builds. Here, the panel has already been unscrewed so you can see how it can be rotated to match the mounting orientation, or removed entirely and mounted elsewhere using the included cable. If you do remote mount the display, the cover plate closes off the opening on the inverter itself for a clean, finished installation. At its core, this inverter delivers 2000 watts of continuous pure sine wave AC power. That means the output looks like utility power, making it safe for sensitive electronics and appliances. It also has strong surge capability, delivering up to 4000 watts for short durations. That surge headroom is what allows the inverter to reliably start motor-driven loads like refrigerators, compressors, and power tools, which typically need much more power at startup than they do once they're running. As a pure sine wave, you don't get buzzing, overheating, or interference that you typically see with modified sine wave inverters. This inverter includes a built-in automatic transfer switch. When shore power or generator power is available, the inverter passes that power straight through. When AC input is lost, it automatically switches to battery power. That transfer happens in under 20 milliseconds. In real-world use, this means no flicker for TVs or electronics, no rebooting devices, and no need for an external transfer switch. It also helps prevent unnecessary battery cycling when shore power is present. One important distinction on this inverter is the dual AC output design. AC output 1 is active both when the inverter is running and when shore power is present. AC output 2 is pass-through only. It's active only when AC input power is available. In practice, this lets you keep critical loads powered by the inverter while automatically dropping non-essential loads when you're off-grid. This power management is built into the inverter with no external relays required. Even without onboard charging, this inverter uses load-aware behavior built into the platform. It's designed to prioritize AC loads and help prevent nuisance breaker trips when conditions change. Features like power control and inverter assist exist on the platform, but charger-specific behavior applies only to the inverter charger model. For inverter-only users, stable output under dynamic loads and predictable behavior when shore power drops out is what matters. Even without onboard charging, this inverter uses load-aware behavior built into the platform to manage changing loads smoothly. This 2000-watt inverter is designed to integrate seamlessly with battle-born lithium batteries, but is also compatible with third-party lithium and lead-acid batteries. It includes a user-adjustable low battery cutoff, which helps protect your battery bank and prevent over-discharge. This flexibility makes it easier to design a system that fits your specific needs instead of forcing everything into a single configuration. This inverter's peak efficiency is around 91%, and it maintains high efficiency even at partial load. This translates to less wasted energy, longer runtime from the same battery bank, and less heat buildup inside the unit. It's important to set expectations. This is a 120-volt inverter. It will not power both legs of a 50-amp panel. This device is intended as a sub-circuit inverter solution powering a critical loads panel, not an entire coach or vessel. Understanding this up front helps ensure this system is designed correctly from the start. The battle-born 2000-watt inverter is designed for systems where charging is handled separately and clean. Reliable AC power is the priority. It delivers consistent performance, strong surge capability, and predictable behavior in a compact platform that fits naturally into modern RV and mobile power systems.